Our next video is going to be on creating a matrix of deviation scores from a matrix of raw scores using a J matrix, and we're going to show you how to do this on Stata. So we need to go into Stata and open up a do file, and the button is right here. I've actually already opened one up for you. I'll pull that up. And as you recall from the video when we did this by hand, we had a formula. That formula was this small y equals large Y minus 1 over n. That was times a J matrix, and then again post-multiplied by the Y matrix. So what we want to do is input our big Y matrix, which we had as 5, comma 0, comma 9 backslash, and the next row was 8, 7, 6, and we had 6, 7, 8, and then we had 4, 5, 10, and the last one was 2, 1, and 7. So let's look at that. So we have our matrix over here on the left. And now we want to do matrix input and do our J matrix. And remember, the J matrix is a matrix of just ones. And we need it to be a 5 by 5 matrix. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, repeated. And I'm just going to copy and paste, so that you can see that. I'll try to make it smaller. 4, and that was our 5th one. Okay. And then let's look at that. So you see it is a 5 by 5 matrix. It only gives the lower left triangular portion of it because it is a symmetric matrix. Now the last step is just do matrix define, and we want to define little y here. So let's just copy and paste our formula, and we've already defined and input our big Y and our J here. We just need to input n. N is the order, and the order is 5. And then let's take a look at that. Alright, so the first row, the first column, you see a number that is negative 8.882 times 10 to the negative 16th. That's pretty much 0. So we have 0, negative 4, 1, 3, 3, negative 2, 1, 3, 0, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 1, which is what we got by hand. This was a lot quicker, wasn't it? And there you go. That's how you create a matrix of deviation scores from a matrix of raw scores, this Y matrix that we had, using a J matrix.